Hey guys, welcome back. I am doing another giveaway because I have like 5 subscribers right now. I'm going to give away this. This is actually pretty cool. I like it. I'm going to give it away. I'm having a yard sale soon, I think, but I am probably going to put it in the yard sale if no one... I'm so scared, guys. Guys, I'm scared. I'm scared to go out here. I'm going to call my dad and see if there's anything out here. Dad? There's someone in the bathroom. I swear it's not my dad because he's downstairs and so is my brother.
Boy, that's a big mess.
Hey, Dad.
The opening, Daniel knows it.
Something... Oh, he's asleep. Something fell from in the bathroom upstairs and the door is shut.
Inside the baseline, a little bit below the level of the net, but
We fell, Kaden.
there's a
Nothing fell down here in this bathroom, the upstairs bathroom. Something fell. I don't know if it was like the shower thing that hangs or...
Probably a kid crawling.
It sounded weird. It was like a big bang. Oh, I got so nervous there first. I got so nervous there for a second. Anyways, guys, I'm giving a horse away in a yard sale we're having soon, and really, I was going to turn it to that video, but I got scared for a second. So if you guys enjoyed, and bye. And sorry, these videos were short.